Garmin smartwatches have many features that can help you better understand your body. One of those features is the ECG app, available on select Garmin smartwatches. In this video, we'll show you how to use the app to take an ECG recording anytime you like. Make sure you're wearing the watch snugly on your wrist, just above the wrist bone. Now rest your arm and wrist on a table. Place your thumb and index finger on the metal ring around the watch face. Remain still and keep your fingers in place for the entire 30-second recording. It's as simple as that. After the recording is finished, you'll see your result in the ECG app on your smartwatch. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.